Once you've gone ahead and created whatever design it is that you're making in Illustrator, it's time to save it. Now, if you particularly like this scrapbook paper, don't worry. I'm going to show you in an upcoming lesson exactly how to make it. But assuming that you've gone ahead and done some work in Illustrator and you're ready to save your file, you'll choose File and then Save. Because this document hasn't been saved previously, Save is an option. And I'm going to store everything in my folder that I've already created called Printables. But you can create a folder or you can navigate to a folder to use. You're going to type a file name, and I'm going to call this Scrapbook Paper. And then I'm adding a dash, and I'm going to call this Teal and Orange. You can use any sort of naming convention that makes sense to you. And when you're creating a lot of papers and a lot of designs, you'll want to really have some sort of plan for labeling them or naming them so that you can find them easily later on. But I'll leave you to do that yourself. I'm just showing you how to apply the name that you've chosen to use, and then click Save. Now this dialog's going to appear, and first instance, it can look like it's a little bit confusing, but you know what? You can just ignore everything right now and just go ahead and click OK. Very seldom will you actually need to use any of these options. You can just leave them at the defaults and just click OK. And the document is now saved. When you're ready to close it, you can just choose File and then Close.